All right. Next up, we have Proof CxTAB presented by Jawad Jaber. Proof CxTAB is a leading software solution for HVAC testing, adjusting and balancing, and building system commissioning. Built for performance and efficiency, it features an intuitive interface and supports easy integration of tab forms and test management, all while aligning with international standards. Jawad, take it away. Jawad, you're muted.
Sorry.
There we go.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. This is Jawad from Proof CxTAB team. Thank you, AABC. Thank you, Cassie. Proof CxTAB is a software for testing, adjusting, and balancing companies, as well as commissioning firms. It can handle both of these aspects of any project directly from one software. So what can Proof CxTAB provide? Testing, adjusting, balancing. This is one scope. A project documentation, commissioning verification, and the project issue logs using your mobile app. So the key features of the software is built-in tab forms according to international standards. So all your forms will be available, ready to go with the software. Flexibility to customize the content, the form content. That means you can adjust the coloring, the logos, header and footer, fonts, as we said. All of these are customizable. In addition, also, one click to generate high-quality final tab report and CX reports, which includes the cover page, a table of content, subsection cover, list of instruments, certification sheets, compliance with international standards. These are examples of how the output of the software will be. Customize the report to meet your brand. So suppose your brand has orange or blue and that kind of coloring. So the software can meet that branding and have a unique tab report for your company. Also, we can track the progress through dashboard or in PDF format, automatic calculation of completion percentage of each unit or a group of units. Also, it includes multi-user synchronization and role management. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20 people can work on your project at the same time. Insert equipment list through Excel, upload and import. So you will fill Excel with all your tests and equipment, and you import them one time. It will structure or scaffold the project for you. Customizable checklists. So checklists are very customizable, easy to enter and with coloring. Ability to use Excel and Word forms natively inside the software. So you can, if the form is not available in the software, you can use the Excel and you can use the Word files and you can import them directly in the software. Built-in AHU sketches and drawings available. The software is desktop first. It's available in Microsoft Store. It has a mobile version that is a mirror of the desktop. And this is native mobile application available in Android and in Apple App Store. And the web version of the software is specifically designed to share the progress with your clients. So let's go now to the one sample of the reports. I will show you how the output of the software will look like. This is, as you can see here, a complete report that is extracted from the software. So here we have the cover page. We have the table of content with hyperlinks directly to any section of the report. This is the title page as per AABC, and all of these data will be filled automatically to you. This is abbreviation list, fan coil section. So you can see now each section has a cover page. You can add it or you don't want, and each subsection also has a separate page. Also, this is by design. This is an example of the fan coil unit report. Very high quality, very high definition report. All of these are programmatically calculated, the total, the AK velocity, whatever, all of these I will show you now in the software how it will be calculated. Let's look at the fan section. This is the fan section. This is the fan data. And this is the duct traverse if you have. The drawing of the duct traverse will be generated automatically based on the dimensions you enter in the software. Let's look at the air handling report. So this is central station. Also, all of these can be added, removed as per project. I'll show this later. Here you can see the static profile. You can add the points 1, 2, 3, 4 directly in the software. Also, this is the outlet, air distribution outlet. So the software can generate all of these at once. And if it has more than one page, it will split the pages for you. No need just to do it manually. If there is some merges or for several outlets, it can merge all of them as a one value and calculate the percentage of it. So let's look at for example, the DRVs. This is an example of the DRV report with all the data, all the summation. And if you have remarks, you can add the remark. Let's look at the noise criteria. Noise criteria here. It has built-in calculation engine for the room criteria and noise criteria. This is room criteria. And the values here for neutral, rumble, hiss, tone, vibration, all will be automatically calculated for you based on these entered values. And this also will be automatically generated. So this is for room criteria. This is for noise criteria. This is auto-generated also from the software, and the data and overall will be automatically given for you. Vibration test. This picture you can add 1, 2, 3, 4 directly from the software and enter your data. Instrument lists can be added. Certification, calibration certification. You can attach any PDF, Word, Excel file to the software and combine it all of them with the page number attached to it. So these are example of the certifications. You can add all of them right away. So let's go now to the software itself, and I will explain to you how this software is, how this report is generated. Now, I hope you can see the screen now. So this is an example of the same project, multi-purpose demo. In this section, you can see all the equipment of the project. And this equipment can easily be imported through Excel function. And or if you want to design one equipment, click on it, and we have a rich feature to manipulate, duplicate, edit, whatever. You can do this for all of them. So suppose I want to duplicate this to one item, 2 items, 5 items, 10 items, 100 items. I can do using this function. I can do multi-selection and do the same editing for all of them. So it's a flexible this a flexible table. You can do many things in one command. And once you select any unit from here, you can see the details of the equipment here. So the details, which includes, for example, for the fan coil main data, which is fan motor data and fan data, air distribution outlet, air distribution inlet, and the report. So everything you do here and here, you can see the report of it just in one reload. You can reload the unit. You can see all the details here for the fan coil unit. You can do also marked reload, which suppose I want to add not final to it, I can add it. You can add a stamp, and you can also don't show the page number. If I want the report without any page number, I can reload without the page number. Now let's focus on before we focus on the AHU, I will show you now the sections of this software. There is a CX documentation here with all the features for the documentation, and you can also construct the project as you want from here and here. There is project verification here, which includes Excel and Word files for all of the equipment. It's easy to enter, easy to load, easy to import. So, okay, and here is the section of the fan call unit. Sorry, issue logs. The issue log here, you can attach a picture from mobile or from desktop and see the report from here. Now let's go back to the test tab form. I will show you an example of the AHU. So as we said now, this is the project, and this is the details of the project. For AHU, we have central station, duct traverse supply, and air distribution outlet, static profile with all the numbering, pre-tab checklist with the coloring. And once I reload, I can see the report with the checklist. All of these items in the checklist are customizable. I can remove not ready, I can change not applicable as I want. This is the central station. This is duct traverse. This is the static profile. Also, the header and footer also customizable. I can add, for example, 3 logos, 2 logos, 1 logo, whatever. The footer also customizable. And also the sections here are customizable. For example, I can go on to more. And for example, I want to add the inlets. Just I will check this checkbox, go here, and I can see the inlet added to the sections. I can go back, remove the inlet, and the software now does not have an inlet. One more feature is available is if you want to change all the units in one click, you can change, for example, this is liter per second, as you can see here. Once I change here to CFM, all of the report are converted to CFM. I can change this also to fit per minute. All of this will be changed to fit per minute. Also the duct traverse, you can see now it is CFM. I can go back, for example, to liter per second, and it's going back to liter per second in all, even in the central station. Everything will be converted in one click. Okay, let's now dig into the air distribution. As you can see here, here is the air distribution outlet. I can add one new outlet, and I will call this supply diffuser. And suppose it has 200 by 200, and I will put here, for example, 0.78. It calculated to me AK automatically. And if I put the design airflow, for example, 75, it will calculate the design velocity based on this dimension. So now I am okay as a software on the desktop. I just will save this here, and I will go to the mobile version here. I can see now my project is available. I will click on it from here. I will go, I see this unit is available for me, and all of the data are available, and I have an update because I saved it just now. I will click load. It will now load the unit again to me, and I will close it here and go to the unit again. Now everything you see in the desktop is available as a counterpart here in the mobile. For example, you can sync, you can add issue log, you can save locally, you can add more. That means you need to add outlet or inlet on the project on the site. You can add pre-tab checklist, VAVs, sound, whatever. All of them will be just with one checkbox. You can see them available in your mobile. And you can see here also the central station values are available. 100% means that the data inside this section is completed. And completed means designed and actual, everything is filled. And you can see here, everything is filled except for the outlet. Why? Because we added one outlet here without the actual value. So one outlet here is not available. I will go to the outlet and I can now scroll down, and I can see now many functions here available. I can add in the mobile from here, and I can add remarks, I can close, I can save locally. I can export this to Excel and send it by email or WhatsApp to my friends or my team. Clear actual measurements. Suppose you have many iterations on the project, then you can go to any one of them. And suppose now I want to go to the last one. So I will click here, go to that outlet. I will click, for example, to 20. I will go to 20. Sorry, I duplicate. I must go to go, and I will go to 20 now. See now the data which I filled at that time is available here. Sorry. Yeah, this is the one, 23. Suppose now I want to fill the actual velocity, which is here, actual velocity. So suppose it's 2.5. It's calculated to me at site the percentage that is available. Okay, I am now okay with this one. I will save. I will save, close, and close this also, save locally again, and I will sync. Once I sync, it will come to the desktop again. So now see now, sync with the cloud, and the data will be saved in the cloud and will come again to the desktop. You can see now it's loading, it's coming here, and I can see now for air distribution outlet, the data that I have entered is available. Sorry, here. Oh, so time is out.
Thank you so much, Jawad. That was a great demonstration. If you want to talk a little bit about the giveaway that you're offering to give people an opportunity to enter for that, and then if anybody has any questions about Proof CxTAB, please put those in the Q&A function at this time.
Okay, now the giveaway is 6 months subscription for you, for anyone who will win 6 months subscription. That means he can use the software freely without any charges.
All right, thank you so much. So if you're interested in that giveaway, please put Proof CxTAB in the Q&A and add in your questions as well if you've got any, and we will announce all the giveaway winners at the end. While we wait on to see if any other questions are going to come in, is there a feature in your software to duplicate tests or use tests from another project?
Yeah. Yes, there is a feature that you can, for example, construct a project or CxT or some forms for the checklist. All of them, you will do it once, and at any point, your team can import them either offline or online. Online means directly from the software, and offline means it's a file. You will save it somewhere in your directory and just import it in the once you need it. And you can share these files through emails, through files. You can compress them. You treat them as normal Windows files.
All right, great. Can the software add new tab forms easily from like Excel or Word or anything like that?
Yeah, right. All of these are available. We support Excel file natively. That means you can work on the Excel file from the software itself and from without the software. That means from the software itself, you can create the Excel file or import it from from your files. It will become in the software. Either you modify that Excel file internally or externally, it will reflect in the complete report. So it is very flexible. The one who wants to work in the software, inside the software, he can do. The one who want to work outside the software with the same Excel features, with the full Excel feature, he can do that, save his work, and go back to the software, reload. Everything will be reloaded to him as per his work.
All right, we have one more question. It says, I see the application is focused on tab forms. Is there any opportunity to include the commissioning management forms?
Yeah. Commissioning forms right now is not available. Only the issue logs and tab forms, because our software is has a programmed rules. Now in CX, there is no programmed rules to the full extent, but the desktop, he can use the desktop right away to update his Excels, his report, everything inside the desktop application.
All right, thank you so much for that presentation. Just want to remind everyone to enter the giveaway, and we will have another couple of minutes break before Evergreen Telemetry joins us at 2:45. So we'll see you all back here then.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Cassie. Thank you.